Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn how to convert the dates into day, months and years. If you have any question that in the examination hall that such a dates are written on the MS Excel and asked to a questions that please converts into the day, months and years, and then how will you convert into the day, months and years. This is a very simple and very technical method. So in this video we will learn how to convert this. Please stay with us. So let's start now how to convert into different days, months and years. First of all, I will select this column and drag into different third columns. If you can see there is a just like a hashtags options. This is a problem, and how you can convert, how you can resolve this, just press double click on it and you can see there is change into the numbers, and here is also converts into the dates. Just double clicks on it and there is also change into the different dates. So how can we change into different perspective day, months and years? So please select just one and we convert this column into day. I have select this table, this column. I will press Ctrl 1, then press custom and then press day. 4 times day I will press, then click OK. You can see here days are mentioned on this column. So I want to convert the months. I will select this column, then press Ctrl 1, then press custom, then press select 1 2 3 4 months and then OK. You can see here is months are present. Just double click on it. Now I will want to select Control plus press Ctrl 1, custom and press 1 2 3 4 here, 1 2 3 4 here and then OK. You can see here is a years are mentioned. So there is a dates mentioned and we can convert this date into the day, months and year. This is a very simple method. Please share with your friends and stay with us and this channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this channel.